Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're trustedshopguy.com and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated fondue makers. Fondue has been around for a long time, and we all understand why. It's hard to go wrong with melted cheese or chocolate, especially when entertaining guests or kids. In its simplest form, a fondue pot is a vessel that sits atop a direct heat source, either a heating element or an open flame. It's designed to stay warm on its own so it can be used on the tabletop or buffet. To help you choose one that suits your style and needs, we rounded up 7 top-rated fondue makers available on the market today. The team at trustedshopguy.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the fondue makers that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You are welcome to check us out on trustedshopguy.com for more of a research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first fondue maker in our list is the Cuisinart Electric Fondue Maker. With the Cuisinart Electric Fondue Maker, the fun of fondue gets a stylish makeover. It's designed for use with oil, soup, chocolate, or cheese, and has a strong electric heating element, simple temperature control, and an appealing yet functional design. In terms of size, it measures 10.5 by 7 by 6.12 inches and weighs 1 pound. TrustedShopguy.com has awarded the Cuisinart Electric Fondue Maker a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: adjustable temperature probe with 8 settings. It has an adjustable temperature probe with 8 settings for a wide range of recipes. Temperature setting. You can change the temperature setting with a simple turn of the dial to adjust for different ingredients or the passage of time. Combination of finishes. A combination of finishes brushed on the bowl and ring, mirror on the stand, and handles gives the unit a contemporary flair. 3-quart stainless steel bowl. It includes a 3-quart stainless steel bowl that's lined with a non-stick coating to keep heated foods from sticking. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, you have to be careful as you wash the pot because the plug shouldn't get wet. The second fondue maker in our list is the Oster DuraCeramic Fondue Maker. With this complete fondue set, you'll be able to serve fun and lively meals to friends and family. It includes a fondue pot with a titanium-infused DuraCeramic non-stick coating, as well as forks and a fork stand. As for the size, it measures 13 by 9 by 5 inches and weighs 3.1 pounds. TrustedShopguy.com has awarded the Oster DuraCeramic Fondue Maker a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: magnetic breakaway cord. It features a magnetic breakaway cord for added safety. Durable, scratch-resistant, and easy-to-clean surface. The durable, scratch-resistant, and easy-to-clean surface cooks quickly to save energy and time. Adjustable temperature control. It has adjustable temperature control to accommodate a wide range of recipes. Handles and legs. The handles and legs make it stably in position so you can make stuff with no need to hold the pot. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the cord is quite short so you'll need an extension cord. The third fondue maker in our list is the Nostalgia Electric Fondue Pot with temperature control. Bring guests together in a fun, stylish way to serve hors d'oeuvres, entrees, and desserts using this Nostalgia Electric Fondue Pot with temperature control. Delectable cheese dips for bread and fruit or luscious chocolate fondues for dessert are just a few of the many delectable dishes you can make. In terms of size, it measures 7.75 by 10.5 by 6.75 inches and weighs 2.5 pounds. TrustedShopguy.com has awarded the Nostalgia Electric Fondue Pot with temperature control a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: 6 color-coded forks. It includes 6 color-coded forks to allow guests to serve themselves decadent chocolate fondue, delectable cheese dips, and more. Blue-lit temperature control dial. You can keep fondues at the ideal temperature by adjusting the blue-lit temperature control dial. Cool touch side handles. It has cool touch side handles for safe and easy handling while moving the removable pot. Detachable parts. The fondue pot has detachable parts that are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it's not recommended for cooking with oil, and the maximum heat setting is only 350 degrees. The fourth fondue maker in our list is the Deluxe Stainless Steel Fondue Maker. This fondue maker melts ingredients to the ideal temperature for decadent fondue entertaining, making it ideal for cheese, chocolate, and oil fondue. Out of the package, you'll get the Deluxe Fondue Maker, 8 colored fondue forks, a fork rack, a metal ring, fondue cups, and a tasteful recipe guide. As for the size, it measures 12.2 by 11.6 by 11 inches and weighs 5.29 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Deluxe Stainless Steel Fondue Maker a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 8 color-coded fondue forks. With the 8 different colored fondue forks, you and your loved ones may have a delicious meal together. Precise temperature control. It has precise temperature control that allows you to heat a variety of fondue ingredients in just minutes. Convenient fork rack. The convenient fork rack on top of the fondue maker helps prevent trips. Fondue cups. It has added fondue cups around the edge so you can serve up your favorite fruits, veggies, meats, and more. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is there's no outer protective box, so you need to purchase it separately if you want to keep your product safe. The 5th fondue maker in our list is the Hamilton Beach Electric Fondue Pot Set. The Hamilton Beach Electric Fondue Pot Set lets you cook and serve a practically unlimited variety of desserts and meals all year long with sweet or savory fondues. You can easily serve delicious desserts and meals to your friends and family with its 2.8-liter capacity pot. In terms of size, it measures 14.4 by 6.29 by 10.96 inches and weighs 2.56 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Hamilton Beach Electric Fondue Pot Set a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: magnetic breakaway cord. The magnetic breakaway cord easily detaches from the fondue pot to prevent tipping and provides added safety. Non-stick interior. It has a non-stick interior, so cleanup is easy. Everything washes away with soap and water. Precise temperature control between 150 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Every recipe benefits from the precise temperature control between 150 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which enables you to cook any type of ingredient from warming to cooking. Easy to use. It is incredibly easy to use. Simply arrange bite-sized pieces of bread, fruit, meat, or vegetables in party platters next to the sweet or savory fondue of your choice. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the LED on the temperature knob doesn't light up when the pot is plugged in, but it lights up when the heating coil is on. The 6th fondue maker in our list is the Homaider Electric Fondue Pot. With the Homaider Electric Fondue Pot, you can make your favorite restaurant quality fondue at home, complete with cheese, chocolate oil, wine, broth, and more. You'll get instructions and recipes for 8 different kinds of dipping forks and foods, such as fruit, bread, veggies, meat, and even marshmallows. As for the size, it measures 8.78 by 8.7 by 8.27 inches and weighs 3.83 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Homaider Electric Fondue Pot a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: non-stick coating. It has a non-stick coating that prevents chocolate and cheese from sticking to it. Single thermostat switch. The fondue maker is controlled by a single thermostat switch, which maintains a consistent temperature of the fondue mix for as long as needed. Dishwasher safe pot. Its spot is dishwasher safe, so you won't have to make an effort to clean it. Elegant design. The elegant design of fondue will fit into any interior. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's not cordless. The 7th fondue maker in our list is the Artestia Electric Fondue Maker. For its ability to precisely control melting temperature and allow additional customizations, the Artestia Electric Fondue Maker is your best companion for making fondue. It measures 11.42 by 7.87 by 7.48 inches and weighs 6.31 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Artestia Electric Fondue Maker a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 304 food-grade stainless steel. The fondue pot is made of 304 food-grade stainless steel, which can accommodate more ingredients and withstand the high temperature of meat fondue. 1 quart removable ceramic pot. It has a 1 quart removable ceramic pot to melt both cheese and chocolate. Sturdy fondue fork. A sturdy fondue fork works well with chocolate fondue and can be installed in a fork holder ring to give hot splash protection. Removable and dishwasher safe pot. Its spot is removable and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the dial doesn't have temperature markings, but there's a light that turns on when heating and off when not. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated fondue makers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next fondue maker roundup, which you would like our team to test, to drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please to give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.